The only thing that we can gain on is efficiency and cycle time. And if you can combine the two with a great machine tool and automate with that, that's where we can take the advantages to be competitive.
Yeah, I could see right away that Kyle was extremely frustrated with what was going on. And I feel for him because he's trying to get manufacturing through. He's trying to get parts out the door. He's losing money because of downtime. He's losing other business that he could be gaining and bringing in here, all because of something that you would think would be relatively simple.
I purchased a system through Makino, working with Jay's team and their dedication to the promise of performance. We were able to come up with a solution to take care of our problems. You know, we initially started out with our first automation cell, and it was definitely a learning experience, and there were some speed bumps in the road. Automation is not fast at first. It is definitely a learning curve. It changes your way how you manufacture.
It's a definite collaboration. There's no doubt, and we do. We ping things off of each other. It might be the wildest thing in the world. He might email me and say, "Hey, I'm trying to do this. I'd really like to do this. Can I do this?
Will your machine do
Is
this?
it possible?"
Mathematically,
yeah. Maybe it's possible. Maybe it's not.
But mathematically, Jay, it can go there.
Yeah.
Do you think I can make your machine do this?
You're trying to get the maximum efficiency, maximum spindle runtime, because that's where he's making his money. And that's where the vehicle system comes in as well.
Automation is something that you have to be competitive. We have to be able to make parts quicker to be able to keep the cost down. We have to make them more efficient in order to keep the cost down. And now one guy can operate 4 machining centers and not break a sweat. You know, the vehicle and everything's taken care of that process.